Welcome to my channel. It's time to understand object and classes used in object-oriented programming languages. An object can have states and behaviors, just like objects in real life, people, animals. But a class is a blueprint or a template that describes the state or behavior of the object of its type. If we consider the real world, we can find many objects around us: cars, dogs, humans, and so on. All these objects have a state and a behavior. Let's consider a person, Anna, who has her own states and behaviors. Example of her state is name, hair color, eye color, skin color, and so on. And the behavior is eat, sleep, play, walk. If you compare the software object with a real world object, they have very similar characteristics. Software objects also have a state and a behavior. So Anna is an object, and the software object state is stored in fields and behavior is shown via methods. To generalize Anna, a class is a template containing states like hair color and behaviors like eat, sleep, walk. A class is a template from which individual objects are created. This is a sample of a class in Java. Now let me explain this code in a simpler way. A class can have just one variable or a group of variables. To create a class, you start with the class keyword, followed by a name and its body, delimited by curly brackets. In this example, the class person is plain. Just like creating a variable, it works same with creating a class object, but in place of any data type, just use the class name. I'll tell you later new keywords meaning. After declaring an instance, object of a class, Anna may have the form of the class unless you change its states. You can access each of its states, fields, and assign it the desired value. Apart from these characteristics, a person object can also perform some actions. These actions are referred to as methods of a class, like eating, sleeping, walking. After creating a method in its body delimited by its curly brackets, you can define the desired behaviors. Let's say we want to print out the characteristics of a person. We create a method called displayCharacteristics and system out println some or all the fields. Now we'll do something similar to the previous example. We'll create and initialize the object Anna, where we'll assign the additional attribute weight. You can call that method by typing the object's name followed by dot and the method's name. The output would be the behavior of the method displayCharacteristics. We recall this later, it prints the two attributes. Now if you're not familiar with the keywords new, public, and static, I'll be explaining them in the next videos. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.